I stretched right before I went out with John, so I'm still doing it.
You drove it?
Yeah.
Cool.
Yeah, they felt the same, and I was like, these do feel a little weird when you said it. Okay, yeah, it's on.
So I fully disconnected the motors to stop with that problem, so they're locked back.
Got it. That's smart.
Well, remember it was like we tried pulling the fuses and then the seat belts were freaking the fuck out?
Yes.
So there's a little unit behind the dash. You unplug the power plug and they just...
And hold it for me,
Sure.
Sure.
Or...
That's all you did? Oh, there you go, dude. Nice.
Yeah, I just unplugged the power plug and they just stay in whatever position they are when you... Sometimes it gets like that when it's... Give it a little...
Okay. Thought maybe it's like a main fuel relay thing. Didn't feel like it was in first.
I know, this thing is fucking sloppy as hell.
Is Chris coming with?
I think so. Yeah.
Reminds me of mine.
Well, I mean, we had
blue.
the same
Yeah.
color.
Yeah.
Was yours also an LX?
It was. Everything power.
Yeah.
That's the best part. That white one I have now is a DX, and I'm kind of like, oh, kind of sucks, but I'm still gonna put it together.
The only thing I did was the same thing you did, was swap the power steering because it was leaking.
Got it.
So bad. So it's an SI rack.
Oh, nice. I think we're good where we're at.
It's a little weird because the Prelude wheel is like pushed in.
Yeah, so it's closer.
Yeah.
It does feel that right here.
Yep. That turn signal stock is real close to your fingers. Sometimes I'll bump it in a corner.
What are you shifting at for your red line?
Like 65 to 68.
Okay.
Because it sort of plateaus like right after 65, so
Got it.
usually I'll go to 68. It's a stock flywheel, so it'll keep it there for a little bit.
Okay.
And I usually brake at 1. Or a little fast.
Damn, these tires just go.
Yep. That coupled with all the suspension little tweaks I did.
Exactly. Gotta get used to that.
Yeah. I don't know what that means.
I'm not sure.
Yeah, but this guy drag races.
It looks like it, fucking lap.
Yeah. What do you think so far?
I love it. Fucking feels awesome, dude.
Not too bad, right?
No, it's just strong. Wasn't for that fucking douche whistle. This dude putting his fucking hand out the side like he's fucking moving somewhere.
Yeah.
Come on, bro.
All over you.
Almost hit the wipers.
That's good. So what do you think? You like taking the S's in second versus third?
Yes. You do third?
Yeah.
You do third here also?
Yeah.
See, I don't like that.
Why?
It just feels stronger in second.
Well, let's see. I usually here I get 80 miles an hour by the number one.
Okay.
So we'll see who's faster. You're right.
Oh my god.
Shit. So you like second here as well?
I do.
I mean, you definitely have to go to second for this turn regardless.
You do, that's why I like staying there.
So I just don't know when to do it. This will be the hot lap.
That's exactly what I was gonna say, last one.
Yeah. Sorry, I'm like touching your helmet, but I'm
No,
trying
you're
to see
good.
the mile per hour.
Go, Chris! Go! You'll be alright, you'll be alright. Damn it, I missed the gas. Perfect. Not really gonna catch him. Tires are loose. That was a big dirt cloud too.
Yeah. He barreled like straight
Yeah.
into it.
So I got a little more miles per hour than you in a straight, huh?
Yep.
So you probably want to stay in second through the carousel. Try it.
I think that's probably the thing that I'll change, is second through the carousel.
Yeah.
But I think I'm comfortable with my like third
through the bus
S's
stop.
and yucca.
Oh, which one?
S's and yucca.
Got it. Oh no, yeah, I like the way the transmission feels. Oh, your back one. Fuck nut. I'm gonna fucking rat them out right now.
So how'd you feel?
Feels good, dude. This
Yeah?
thing moves, man. Hell yeah. I like it. For being the 1.5 multi-point, this thing moves. Shit, it was way faster than I thought. What'd I run?
130?
Hey, that's not
131?
bad. I'll take it. What's your best? 128?
128.7.
So you're still doing a little better than I am, though. Give me a couple more times with it, I might be okay.
Yeah. Well, and also not overheated tires following
That's
this
true.
one.
Like I was doing better.
You could have
there.
probably pulled out the 128 like that.
Agreed.
That second lap behind them.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Because
I agree.
That one felt like the strongest. Like you came into the S's from the long straight. Like
Yes.
I was like, wow, that one was like, that was fucking nice. That's like the one that I get like maybe 1 out of 10 tries.
Yeah. I hear ya. And then I could tell at the end, like when I was trying to do the late apex, coming out of the horseshoe, it was drifting already. I wasn't able to stay in, so like, the tires are a little overheated, but we'll be all right. Fuck it, dude. Thanks for letting me drive it. You want me to run you for a moment?
Yeah.
Okay.
I think that's why it was like coughing when you got into it. Here, maybe in like a few minutes, you want to go out real quick and see what I do?
Let's do it. I'm gonna tell Tim because he wants me to record his car. I have a camera on it.
Okay.
But he's gonna go out for lunch by himself.
Okay.
He doesn't want anyone fucking around.
Okay.
You want me to pop the hood?
Sure.
Cool it off?
Yeah.
Damn, those tires are great. I really like the way they feel.
Yeah, just the scrub in at Sandia, I was already like fucking sold on them.
You could just tell, huh?
Yeah. Like you could too, huh?
Oh my god, like I was just able to fling it around the track like I've driven it 20 times before.
But I was telling James, because James is running them too.
Uh-huh.
I don't have to predict the tires.
James who?
Starts.
Okay, the Z?
Yeah.
Yes.
I didn't turn it on. He was driving.
It's not even freaking working. Remember that section to 128? It's like loaded up